Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. Now if you don't already have an account, you can click on the register button and you can also use your social accounts to sign up through a shortcut. From the registration page, you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you wish to use to sign up for your account and then click on continue. You will then be asked to select your password. Type in your desired password and then click on the register button. And now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just log into your email and you will find your verification code sent by AliExpress. Just enter this code within the given box and click on verify email. You will now be taken into your newly created account right away. And now you can immediately start shopping. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.